Nike brings new life to the Air Force 1 Low Phantom, blending retro cues and modern refinement in a design priced around $125. While the silhouette remains true to its roots, standout additions like embroidered swoosh trim and soft tumbled leather on the interior elevate the familiar structure. An off-white perforated leather panel along the quarter nods to early 2000s styling, subtly enhancing the textural mix. The neutral palette of Phantom black and college gray keeps the shoe versatile and easy to wear, while a flash of team red on the tongue tag adds unexpected contrast. Designed to meet seasonal demand without overwhelming change, this updated take proves that subtlety and innovation can coexist. As part of Nike's general release rotation, the Phantom is expected to land on Nike.com and through select retailers without advance notice, making it a surprise drop to watch for.